In this video, we're going to be looking at column subtraction with two-digit numbers, but without any regrouping. So let's get straight into the questions. Right, so question number one, we have 29, and you can see I've got my 29 here made up of two tens and 9 units, and we're going to subtract 14 from that. As you can see, I've lined up both the numbers carefully so that the units digits are in a vertical line, and so are the tens digits as well. And we're going to start off with the units column, and we're always going to start with the units and work our way to the bigger place value columns. And to do the subtraction, we're going to take our 9, and you can see the 9 here, and you can see the 9 here, and we're going to subtract 4 from it, which is what is showing below. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, take that away, and obviously 9 subtract 4 is 5, so we have 5 units remaining. Now I'm going to move to the tens column, and as you can see from the original number 29, we have two tens, and we want to subtract 1 10. 2 subtract 1, or 2 tens, 20, subtract 1 10, which is 10, is going to leave us with 1 10. And you can see that with the blocks here. So 2 tens, take away a 10, gives us 1 10, and the answer is 15. On to question number 2. Here we have 36, so we have 3 tens and 6 units. Subtract 22. Again, I've lined up my numbers sort of exactly in line, and that's going to help me make sure that I don't make any mistakes with the columns for the answer. Again, I'm starting with the units column, and I'm going to start with my 6, and I'm going to take away 2 from that. So here's my 6 here, take away 2, I'm left with 4. Now I'm going to move on to the tens column. You can see that we have 3 tens here. We want to subtract 2 tens from it. So 3 take away 2, or 3 tens take away 2 tens. It's going to give us 1 10 left. 3 tens, take 2 tens away, I'm left with 1 10. And then my answer is 14. On to number 3. We have 78 take away 41. And you can see the 50, 60, 70, 7 tens there, and my 8 here. And again, I'm going to start with the units column and do 8 subtract 1, which is 7. Here's my 8 units. If I take away 1, I'm left with 7. Now moving on to the tens column, we have 7 tens. We want to take away 4, which should leave us with 3 tens. 7 take away 4 is 3. If I take away 2, 4, I'm now left with 3 tens, which is 30. So my answer is 37, and you can see that here. On to the final one we're going to do in detail. This one is 66, and so I have my 6 tens making 60, and my 6 units making 6. Take away 51, or subtract 51. Again, we're starting with the units column, and we're going to do 6 subtract 1, which gives us 5. 6 take away 1 is 5. And now onto the tens column, where we have 6 tens, take away 5 tens. 6 take away 5 is 1. So we'll have 1 10 remaining. So take away the 5 tens, and we're left with 1 10, giving us our difference, or our answer, which is 15. Right, now it's your turn. Here are 4 column subtraction questions that you can have a go at, and we're going to go through the answers in a second. Right, let's have a look and see how you've done. We're going to go through these quite quickly. If you are finding this a little bit of a challenge, then go back, use the blocks to help you with the subtraction, and then check them again afterwards. So number 1, we have 2 take away 1 is 1, 5 take away 1 is 4, so we have 41 here. Number 2, 5 take away 3 is 2, 8 take away 2 is 6. So 62 is our answer. Number 3, 6 take away 4 is 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. The answer is 22. And number 4, 1 subtract 1 is 0. And 9 subtract 5 is 4. The difference is 40. As a final challenge, if you're comfortable with all of that, try creating your own column subtraction with an answer of 41, and you can't use any regrouping. Hope you enjoyed the video, and check out the Descent Learning channel for more subtraction challenges.